What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is James with the Impossible Channel. Welcome back. This is not PewDiePie's chair. Sorry, Pewds. Gotta buy that one. Still not there yet, I guess. Anyway, folks, big and very important update. What happened in Italy? A big storm, flooding. Leslie, it's not going for Europe anymore. It seems it's gonna die off in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. What's gonna happen is there's a big storm, a big pressure, a low pressure system. It's going for Europe. Now, this is going to happen in the next few days. I want you to share this as fast as possible. If you look at the weather patterns, it seems that we're gonna have Leslie hitting North Africa while there's this huge hurricane hitting Mexico and this huge storm hitting Europe. This is going to be all at the same time. Bad thing for Europe right now. If you are in Europe, please do share this as fast as possible. Another thing, folks, there was an update on the situation. You know, last year people were talking about this, the fact that we weren't in the Milky Way anymore, that we were in a different galaxy.
Now we've seen what we've been taught. Let's analyze what's really going on. Scientists now know that we are not from here. Okay? We meaning our entire solar system. We are the aliens. Okay? Let's really analyze this. Imagine the shock of growing up in a loving family with people you call mom and dad, and then suddenly learning that you are actually adopted. This same sense of shock came as scientists announced that the sun, the moon, our planet and its siblings were not born into the familiar band of stars known as the Milky Way galaxy, but we actually belong to a strange formation with an unfamiliar name of the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy.
What they're saying right now is that we are the aliens, that we're actually from this other galaxy that is actually being sucked by the Milky Way.
But we're the ones who came from somewhere else. Because somebody else had to survive, and they got in a little spacecraft and they came here and they landed and they started civilization here.
And I thought this was important to share. You know how it is, right? If they're lying, this may be actually part of the agenda. They want to push something, you know, like, folks, something different happened. You might see something different in this car. And so I think this is a good heads up for those of you who believe that we have been lied to, that we are living in some place different. But this is where things get complicated. We've never seen the other side of the moon. I'm not even gonna go into the fact NASA right now says that they can't go to the moon because they destroyed the technology. You know, it's 1960s, we're in 2018, we got bionic chips on our phones, or artificial intelligence, and they want to tell us that they lost the tapes, they can't go to the moon anymore. They're like, this is ridiculous. And now they want to tell us that we're living in a different galaxy.
You want the ball? What the fuck is going on?
Then this guy, yesterday, he posted this on Facebook. It went viral. It's going viral, actually. It's been posted just a couple of hours ago or whatever, and it's going viral. It's a basic question, right? If we got the North Pole, we got the South Pole, and we got the equator, supposedly the Earth is spinning at different speed on these specific places. Gravity, let me show you guys, I'm going to show you guys the post, right? So you're probably seeing it on screen right now. And what he suggests is, if we got all of these forces acting up, why is gravity the same in everywhere in the entire globe, right? So this got me thinking, and not only me, of course, this got a lot of people thinking. And I was reading the comments. It seems a lot of people are having difficulties answering this question. It's supposed to be a simple question. It's supposed to be something that a lot of these astronauts, whatever, people who go to space, people who work with theories in space and satellites, they should know this by heart. So there's something up with that. Pretty sure. If you have anything to comment about it, please do. There's another situation in Europe. We've got this huge storm that is supposed to be crossing the Atlantic in just a couple of days, and it's going for Europe. So, I mean, what happened in Italy a couple of days ago, much worse supposedly if this storm crosses the Atlantic. You know, I wanted to share a little bit of positivity also. Share the fact that we have planet Earth. It's rare. It's the most beautiful planet out there. Well, it's been said by scientists, it's one of the only ones. It maybe is, folks. So it's time for us to wake up. Can we do something about it? Think about it, folks. We're going into this digital era. And after this, I don't think there's going to be a going back. Why do I say so? Well, you know, folks, in the past, they burned books, right? So you had history, you know, real history. And you have the history that they tell us, well, it has a lot of interest behind it, you know. So today, then you just erase it from the web, right? So I was looking for certain songs, and I was looking for certain TV series, and they don't have the same name anymore. And I was like, wait a minute, right? This is, am I living the Mandela effect, or are they literally changing the past as we knew it? Because they simply can't. I don't know if you guys remember this. Remember Elon, well, there were SpaceX, they sent a rocket to space, car, right? Yeah, they sent the car to space. It was a live feed. Everybody was wild about it. You know, it was like, wow, this is interesting. And what happened was they re-uploaded the live feed with a different camera that they for some reason they didn't put it there in the actual live feed. And a lot of people were curious. This is just a small example of changing history. The same is happening with facts. The same is happening with titles, books. They're changing everything, folks. And when we go totally digital, at some point, we're not gonna have books anymore, folks. We're only gonna have hard disks, and they can change it. They can change it all. Think about your children. Think about your grandchildren. Think about the distant or near future. This is supposedly a biological planet. I know that Tesla had some very interesting theories about waves and how energy worked. There's a lot of beautiful theories behind how Earth actually works, and how Earth might actually be a spaceship of sorts. They've been stealing your culture for a lot of time now. You know that, come on, you know what I mean. Culture has been mixing so much with other cultures that you can't even identify it anymore, and we're losing our freedom because of that. Think about it, folks. A very clear energy. It's the Earth. It's a rare place. And we're playing with different forces, you know. And right now, it's just a game. Till Earth gives us back, you know, a little bit of the same game. Right? Oh, you want to play a game, right? So here you go. Hurricanes, earthquakes, volcanoes. And still, humans think they can overcome all this. NASA thinks literally they can stop the biggest super volcano, I don't know, or Yellowstone or something like that. They think he can. I don't know if they can. If they can't go to the moon anymore, how can they stop Yellowstone? I don't know. Leave a comment. What do you think about all this? So that's it for today, folks. Enjoy the video, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again.